I'm very proud of my last gold signal, which I have sent last Wednesday on my channel, telling my followers to buy the gold from 2594, and as you can see, the gold has reversed exactly from the given price and hit the take profit level, making over 360 pips of profit. Congratulations for those who have taken this signal. I'm very proud about it. I actually, even here on my Telegram channel, I have asked my followers if they are still in this trade with this poll right here, and thankfully the majority of the followers, out of 313 votes, 131 voted for yes, I'm in it. The rest said we didn't even take it, or no, we closed it. Actually, here it's maybe my fault because I recommended to close the signal in 26 pips of loss, but it was in the end only a recommendation. The rest of the followers actually kept the trade running because they believe in our analysis. For that, I'm very proud and I'm very, very grateful. And of course, this is my Telegram channel. It's the only authentic and original channel on Telegram for Xtreme Trader. This is the channel Xtreme Trader Signals, or you can just simply find the link in the description below of this video. So again, it's highly recommended, my friends, to join this channel to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube, such as here this one. Of course, here I was actually telling my followers that this signal is now active and running in 200 pips of profit. So I actually was somehow following up with the members about this signal. Anyway, let's now see what we can do next for the upcoming week, which is of course the holidays. So for that, we have to be very careful and wise about trading the gold, especially of course Wednesday, because it's going to be the Christmas day and the market will be closed. So let's now see what we can do next with the gold. And of course, since we are talking about the last few days in the month of December and the ending of the year, we have to analyze right now based on the monthly chart. So right now, monthly chart shows me that the current candle seems like it's going to close with a strong pressure from both the buyers and the sellers. So meaning, right now, in my opinion, we don't actually have a clear movement or actually a strong movement from the bears. So far, the gold over the whole month kept actually respecting the same level of our support right here exactly at 2601. That is, of course, October's candle. Look at November. November candle has actually closed above this level of a support, and then right now December seems like it's going to continue also closing above this level of a support. And maybe by the beginning of the next year, the next monthly candle, we might expect a bearish movement, but that is only my expectations. But for now, I believe that we can continue buying the gold. Let's now move to the weekly chart. So here in Xtreme Trader, our analysis style is always to look at the bigger time frames, such as weekly or daily chart, to confirm the direction if it's going to continue the rise or it's going to make a bearish reversal. After confirming the direction, we will switch to the 1 hour time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, and based on that we can confirm the entry. Where exactly are we going to place our buy or sell? It's going to be determined based on these smaller time frames. So right now, let's begin with the weekly chart. So weekly chart shows me again that not only the market is respecting this level of a support, but also it was a real level of a support. Here we had a fake breakout from this level. We thought that the gold actually is going to continue the fall after retesting the broken level of a support, but nope, the gold actually kept rising. Not only that, but again, the beginning of actually the last few weeks of, the last days of the November, the gold actually respected the same level of a support, and right now we can see that the gold is still actually respecting the same level of the support. And the current price action right here is not promising for the fall. Actually, it's telling me that the gold most likely will continue the rise. Not only that, but finally here we can see that the market is still actually facing a strong support trend line or an upper trend, which confirms that the gold most likely right now is going to continue the rise. So gold on the weekly chart seems to be bullish. Let's now move to the daily chart just to confirm the direction. So right now on daily chart we can see the same thing. Actually here we have also a supported trend line, as you can see right here. the gold actually has been respecting this level of a support since May 31 this year, and actually kept respecting the same level of a support trend line. Then finally here we have the bullish reversal on the same level of the support trend line, which also matches here with a real level of a support. Not only that, but look at the price action. Now here we have a very good price action, indicates a continuation in the rise. Why? Because here we have inverted hammer appeared on the support level, and once you see this candle, it's really a good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bullish reversal. If you see on a support level, especially on daily or weekly chart, on a support level, a candle look like this. Wait a minute. A candle that look like this with a long wick at the top and smaller tail at bottom, which is like that one. It means that the market right now most likely is getting ready for the bullish reversal. And of course, vice versa. If we see the same candle on a resistance level on the bigger time frames, it's a sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bearish fall. So looking forward to buy the gold for the upcoming week. Now, after confirming the direction based on weekly and daily chart, it's time to play with the forex market and move right now to the 4-hour time frame. And here is the magic to find the decent entry. Now, what we can do next with this pair on the 4-hour time frame? First of all, I would like to squeeze the chart like that just to confirm the direction. And actually, this is giving me a clear reading on the gold. Now what I can see right here, first of all, is indeed a broken level of a resistance trend line. Check this out. So here we have a resistance trend line that has just been broken out from, and the gold indeed just retested the same level and created here a new support trend line. That's for a starter. Next is a real level of a support that can be seen right here exactly at 2612. Pay attention. Here we have a real level of a support. Here we have also another real level of a support. But later on, we had here these two fake breakouts. And that tells us that the gold most likely is going to revisit the same level of a real support, and then it's going to continue the rise. Actually, this strategy works almost all of the time. I mean, if I'm lucky enough, I can find you now examples. For example, we have here one major fake breakout. Check this out. So here we had, of course, a real level of a support and then a fake breakout. Then where did the gold reverse from when revisited the same place? It did not reverse here. Nope, it reversed exactly right here at the same level of a real support. So that tells us that the market right now most likely is going to respect this level of a real support, ignoring this fake breakout happened right here out of this level. Not only that, but we need another sort of confirmation on that. And for that one, I'm going to apply right now the magic of trend lines. And by the way, this week I'm going to release a video explaining the magic of trend lines in details. So now here we can see that we had also a support trend line. Check this out. Right here exactly, precisely. I mean, let me just make it like that. All right. Now let me draw the line correctly. Exactly just like that. Fantastic. Now it's correct. Now here we had a supported trend line which faced here a bearish breakout candle. Remember, this was not a fake breakout. Now here we have a bearish breakout candle, and then the market respected the same level of a support trend line and became here also another resistance trend line. Later on, the market instantly broke out from that level, of course, because the bullish movement is stronger than the bearish, and that's why we had only one single attempt of the resistance trend line. Meanwhile, we had here 2 attempts of support trend line. So now, if the gold by the next week is going to create here a new candle and fall back, most likely it will actually respect the same level of a support trend line, and then it's going to continue the rise. Of course, adding to that the pressure of the current support right here at 2612. So that tells us that we can actually buy the gold exactly at 2612. Now for the take profit level, or actually before that, let me just do something. 1 second, guys, 1 second. All right, so actually I was just confirming that we can actually apply here the Fibonacci retracement, and check this out. We are actually almost at Fibonacci 61.8, which means this is indeed going to be a good entry to buy the market. However, we just now need to talk about the take profit level. If we buy the gold from here at Fibonacci 61.8, I believe it's going to be a good idea to exit the trade right here at Fibonacci 38.2, expecting around 412 pips profit with this signal. However, for the safe zone in this case, the safe zone, my friends, shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support right here exactly, and right here at 2900 2,594. I need to delete this line here to not confuse me. Exactly. So therefore, we can buy the gold at 2,612, and that means our safe zone will be ranging for around 175 pips against 415 pips of profit. And there goes our signal, my friends, on the gold. I believe it's going to be a good one, and hopefully we can make good profits with this one. But again, remember, I'm just sharing here my ideas with you. So it's really up to you how to trade this signal. If the signal has failed, you are fully responsible for any losses happened. I'm just sharing my idea here, and it's completely up to you how to handle it. And of course, don't forget in the end to join our Xtreme Trader channel to receive any updates about this signal. Again, this is the channel Xtreme Trader Signals, or you can just make it easier and check the description below of this video to find the direct link to join our channel. So I hope I will see you there, and in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.